Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Pivot Animator. So first, let's go to the file and open a new one, or you could use the shortcut Control N. So today we're going to make a backflip. So first, I want the player to be blue, okay. And then let's get him into the crouch so that he can be in ready position to do the backflip. So bend him over, just push him over here a little, and then we had to make his legs bent too. Okay, a little lower, and then let's put his hands here. Okay, so I think that's good for the first frame. Let's add it here. And for pivot, you can add frames in between, so I'm just going to add 2. And then let's keep him here for one more frame. For the third frame, let's make him spring up suddenly. Okay, so he will be off of the ground in this frame. Okay, now time for frame number 4. So he will do some flips in midair. So let's just tuck his legs in and turn him around. And let's put him here. Okay, let's add that and then add another 2 frames in between. So for the 5th frame, he's going to do another turn here and here. And move him over a little bit here. And let's add that frame. Okay, for frame number 6, he's almost getting ready to land. Let's turn him one more time. And put him right here. Alright. Let's add that. And then for the landing, we'll make him crouch down because of the impact. And put one hand down to support the ground. Right here. Okay. And then add that. And then now we make him stand up. Put his leg right here. Okay, add that. And then this is the last frame. We make him stand up fully. Okay. So now we put him in this position. Yay! Now let's try it and see how it looks. Play. Okay, so it looks a little fast. So let's add some frames in the middle. Let's see here. Let's make him do a few more turns. Or we can just add more frames in the middle. So let's see here. 3, 3, 3, 3, and then 5. Now let's try it. Okay, so this part looks a little not smooth. So let's change this guy to be more like that. And we'll add a bit more frames in. Okay. So like this. rotate him. And a little more. Okay. And now that he's in this position, let's make him roll a little. So he ends up like this. So he's going to make a roll and land on his feet again. So he lands like that. Update frame. And then he rolls. He makes a roll right here. Okay. And then for this frame, he then like lying down and update frame. And then finally, let's see here, he goes like that. And he gets up. Okay, so now let's see how it looks. Okay. So let's see this again. Let's make him do a little more flips in the air. Like that, that. Okay, update frame. And then more that, and that. Okay. Okay, so this part is a little unnatural. So then let's change it back. Like that. Okay, let's update that. And then change this guy back. Like that. Okay, update frame. Let's delete this one. Okay, and change this so that he's standing up. Okay, so now let's play it. Okay. Okay, so that's looking a little more natural, but I think there's too many frames in between, so I'm just going to remove some of them. Okay, so that's a lot better. Let's change this to 3 and see it. Okay, so that looks good. And now let's make him stand up as the finish. And 2, add frame. And then he's going to be really proud of himself for making a backflip. And puts his hands on his hips. So 2, add frame, and then yeah, add frame. Now let's see it. So let me change a little of this so that it looks more natural. Update frame. Okay, now let's play it. Okay, as the final touch, I'm going to make him kind of hold up a trophy like this. 2, add frame, 5. Okay, and then like that. Okay, add frame. Alright. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something today. See you next time.